Hello Quillers, this is Agnes from Agnescraft. Thanks for stopping by. Today we can see how to make these roses. These are really simple to make, and you can see that I have made in two different sizes. This one is made with 5 mm paper strips and this one using 7 mm strips. So you can use any size of paper that you are comfortable with. Before going to the topic, if you are new here, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get new updates on my videos. If you want to see my recent works on quilling, you can check me as Agnes Paper and Crafts in Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. Okay, now let's start. This is a 5 mm strip. It doesn't need to be so long. So this is a paper strip. Actually, it is a scrap. So to start, just roll a little bit like an usual coil, and then you have to bend the longer strip in a slanting manner and then roll. Okay, when we complete the full curve, we can make another one the same way. You should bend it outside and then roll again, and we should repeat the same until you find your rose to be perfect size that you need. The number of petals is just your own wish. Even with few petals they look nice, and with more petals also they are so nice. So when you feel okay, you can just tear off or snip off the end and then glue that back together. Just glue the end and hold it together. You can use help of a tweezer and hold it until it dries. When it gets thick, we'll be having it like this, but sometimes if we leave alone, it can just come up like this, but that's not a problem. When we stick it together, it will be all okay. So to glue, just apply glue to the back. Make sure you go even to the centermost part of the coil and then press it down. This needs a little more time than our usual coils, as sometimes they may pop out. So just press it down for a while and then you're done. Hope you find this very easy. Just give a try and see how cute are they. So our roses is done. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another video. Bye bye.